everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and I want to welcome you to Everything Martha Crafts and More. And I have a DIY for you today, and it's really inexpensive and it's using all Dollar Tree items except one thing. And so I wanted to create a little pedestal so that when I decorate, I could have like a different height. And so I went ahead and I made a little pedestal, and I'm gonna show you how I did that today. Thank you so much to my new subscribers, and I have Iris D and Good Girls Mom. Thank you so much for subscribing, and anyone else that subscribed that I didn't get your name, well, I want to welcome you as well. I hope that you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I am going to be doing decorating my mantle from fall to Christmas, and my outside also from fall to Christmas coming up soon. I've also got some easy and delicious recipes coming up, so I hope you'll join me in the kitchen for those. I think you will be enjoying making some of those for your holiday celebration. I'm sorry that I don't make that many videos, but I think I've mentioned to you before that I am my mom's caregiver, and that takes up a lot of my time. She's in hospice right now, so I am just pretty much like a homebody, and doing these crafts actually helps me get away from everything. I know I talk to like my cousin, for example. She says that crafting just gets her anxious, but to me it's quite the opposite. I just relax and I just forget about all my problems when I create. So I really enjoy doing that, and I enjoy sharing it with you. So I hope that you're enjoying it as well. So thank you so much for being there and allowing me to share my videos with you, and for subscribing and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate that very much. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy. I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I made, and here it is, you guys. Here is the little pedestal, and it's got little angels all around it, and I think it's beautiful. And I'll show you how I did that in a really quick video, and also how I decorate it now, because you can use this any time of the year. I plan to use it in my Christmas decor, and I'll show you how I put it with my pumpkins on my little table. So if you're interested in that, I hope that you keep watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Hasta luego, guys. Mwah. Bye. Okay, guys, and here's what you'll need if you want to make this project. This wood hanging decor, this glass candle holder, these mini little angels, wooden angels, come in a pack of 8, some paint, some hot glue, and I found this beautiful metal ribbon at Dollar Tree in the floral section. I'm going to use that as well, and some resin. That's it. Let's get started. I'm going to start out by mixing this brown and rust colored paint, and I'm going to paint the wood decor piece and also the glass candlestick holder. Once I finish painting those two pieces, I'm going to bring out my little mini wooden angels. I'm going to use 5 of them, and I'm going to paint them in the metallic gold paint that I have. The little bodies, but not the wings. Aren't they adorable? They're so cute. Once I finish painting their little bodies, I'm going to get some Mod Podge, and I'm going to put Mod Podge on their little wings, and then I'm going to put some gold glitter over the little wings so that they stick with the Mod Podge. Once I finish with the little angels, I'm going to let them dry, and I'm going to start working with that beautiful metal ribbon. I'm going to hot glue it all around the border of the wooden piece. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to get my little angels and I'm going to place them exactly where I want them around the round wooden decor, and I'm going to hot glue each of them to the border of the decor. I want to add a little touch of gold to the base of the pedestal as well, so I'm going to paint a little bit of the metallic gold paint on the bottom of the pedestal. I think that's looking really beautiful, and now I'm going to work with the resin. So I'm going to measure out a little bit of the resin and a little bit of the hardener, equal parts. I'm going to mix those two together and add a little bit of the paint and just pour it over the top of the wooden piece. After the resin is evenly distributed on the top of the wooden piece, I'm going to get some more of that beautiful gold glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top. I'm going to wait 24 hours until it dries, and then I'll continue. Okay, you guys, it's the next day now, and this is how it looks. I went ahead and I added a coat of Mod Podge to the pedestal base, to the candle holder, and then here it is with the resin all dried up. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love the way that it turned out. I'm going to flip it over on a glass, and I'm going to add some hot glue to the pedestal base, and I'm going to make sure that it's right in the center of the wooden piece. Okay, you guys, and here it is, my little pedestal. It looks like a little burst of gold. It is so beautiful. Those little gold flakes, they just change colors wherever the light hits them. Look at this, you guys. You can use this little pedestal throughout the whole year for any decor that you like. It was really inexpensive. I mean, the only thing that I used that wasn't from Dollar Tree was the resin. Otherwise, it was just like $4 to get the stuff at Dollar Tree. And what an elegant little piece that is. I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.